Good morning, everyone. Welcome back for another magical moment on this wonderful Monday. I have something I think special for you today. We have a dish. This came from my kitchen, a Sharpie marker, and some water, kind of off screen here. Okay, I'm going to make a little drawing with my marker in my dish. Just a simple circle today. I'm going to take my water and I'm going to add it to my dish and let's see what happens. It's a dry erase marker. So most of the time, if you just put a little bit of something to it, it rubs away, right? But look at it when I add it into water. Come on. Do you see it up there dancing? See if I can get it to lift all the way away. There it goes. My dry erase marker has lifted completely free of my dish. Still, for the most part, in its shape. And it's swirling and floating around there. The question is, why will this happen with a dry erase marker? You can try it at home. If you don't believe me, go home and try this. You just need a dish, some water, and a dry erase marker. Try it, and we're going to talk about it when you come see me in the STEM lab.